webinar to show you a demo of our OPHR, which is Online Pet Health Record Software. Without any delay, I would like to start quick introduction. My name is Samiksha Anand Michael, Digital Marketing Executive at Petofy. We also have with us our co-founders, Mr. Anshul Arora and Mr. Udit Handa, our product head for OPHR, Dr. Saurabh Bhattacharya, who along with our team would be available on this webinar to answer your questions. This is Petofy. Petofy is a unique startup recognized by government. Behind it, one of most renowned and awarded IT company, Sinotech Technologies, having headquarters in USA and in India, and Aerosol Pharmaceutical Private Limited, a company involved in animal health care from last more than 30 years are there. So we have a pool of young and expert minds and dedicated to serve pet community at all odds. Petofy has been serving the pet community for more than 5 years through social media, and we have recently launched our website and mobile app. This is Petofy, what we are today. We want to become an all-in-one platform of the pet community that gives a unified experience and complete range of services using the power of technology. This is how we got the idea of creating Petofy 5 years ago. I am sure you or your clients must have also faced similar problems. At times, I myself have forgotten the deworming and vaccination dates for my pets because I have written them in their booklet, and sometimes I can't find the booklet. OPHR helps here because all of my pets' information is saved online and automatic reminders are sent for such important dates. Our expert veterinary and technical teams came together, and after a lot of brainstorming, we created a platform which was complete and user-friendly. When you start using OPHR, you will see it has many useful features that you will definitely use at your clinic. As I had mentioned in the previous slide, you get reminders on SMS, WhatsApp, and email. Apart from reminders, you also get many other useful features. If you see in this article, Petofy has been recognized by startup Uttarakhand. We have been seeing increase in pet-related articles in the news and media, which got us thinking that we are on the right track with Petofy as the mindset of pet parents is changing and they are treating their pets as family. And this is evident from these statistics from recent years. If you see closely, the growth is phenomenal over the past few years, and we wish to tap this market with our service offerings. Let us know more about our latest offering and the reason why we have gathered here today. Online Pet Health Record, or OPHR, is an online platform that provides wide range of services which you will find useful and must have. With OPHR, you will get complete pet health record management with personalized immunization schedule. Recently, some of the high courts in India had advised doctors to use computer-generated prescriptions instead of handwritten prescriptions. Our online prescription management is a perfect solution for this, as it gives you the option to type and print the prescriptions or send them to pet parents electronically in PDF format. In appointment management, pet parents can book appointments on your calendar directly, and you can confirm or cancel the booking according to your schedule. Reminders are sent from the system, and you also have the option to have a tele or video consulting session with the pet parent at the appointment time instead of a visit to your clinic. This is a very useful feature in the current time. Our market is very competitive, and we have studied and analyzed a few of our competitors in the market. We are confident that once you start using Petofy OPHR, you will find that we provide the most complete suite of services and the best value for money against our all competitors. Some of the services that we provide are essential in today's time, which our competitors are not providing, like online tele and video consulting and online appointment booking, which can be done by both pet parents and veterinarians. Here is our leadership, mentors, veterinary, and technology teams who have worked very hard to develop this platform for you. I am sure you must be knowing some of our mentors already. Apart from OPHR, the Petify platform provides a wide range of services for the pet community. Some of these services are available currently like blogs and forums, event listing, pet adoption listing, pet name search. Some of the services are under planning and development to be available soon. With this, we come to the end of our presentation. Hope you like the presentation. Before I pass it on to Dr. Saurav, Sparsh and Pramod sir for the OPHR demo, I would like to take a few more minutes and show you two videos. The first is a quick overview of OPHR and the other is a testimonial from our happy customer and a renowned pet practitioner, Dr. CB Singh. Let me play the first video for you.
Petify is India's first and only online pet clinic manager that uses the power of cloud, internet, and helps pet parents in your city to find you. Book appointments online for clinic visit or video consulting. Add and maintain pets records and create unique pet ID card. Create pet-wise deworming and vaccination schedule and give vaccination card to pet parents through WhatsApp, SMS, mail or print. Create prescription online and send through WhatsApp, SMS, mail or print. Maintain all medical history like radiography and USG reports and retrieve from anywhere on a single click. Create follow-up dates and send reminders to pet parents through WhatsApp and SMS. Manage your staffs, their rights and tasks. Petify keeps your data completely protected with password and OTP and gives you complete ease of access anywhere, anytime. So when many states or courts are insisting on a digital or printed prescription, think ahead. Think Petify.
Let me play the other video. Testimonial of Dr. CB Singh, our happy customer.
Pleased to congratulate the Petify team for having developed a cloud-based application for the pet practitioners. I have been using this application for the last 2 months and I find it very user-friendly and need-based. The application covers the clinic management, immunizations, the pet parent part, and all the clinic management features, especially the pet health record. I find this program very useful and I wish the Petify team all the good luck and my best wishes. Thank you.
Thank you everyone, and Sparsh, now you can take it from here.
Thank you, Samiksha ma'am. Ma'am, please inform me when my screen becomes visible.
Yes, Sparsh, it is visible. Go ahead.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sparsh Gupta and I am Technical Support Executive at Petify. Today, I'll give you a demo of our platform Petify. So the very first thing you have to do is you have to visit our website petify.com and it will redirect you to the home page of our website. You just have to click on this button, Online Pet Health Record, where you can see that there are two options. One is for the sign up for pet parent and the second one is for the veterinarian. You have to click on the sign up button below the veterinarian, where you have to enter your basic details like your first name, last name, clinic name, description, phone number, and the basic details like your pet category and the services which you provide, and click on the create account button. After clicking on the create account button, your account will be verified through your email. I have created one for me. Let me show you. I just click on this sign in button and I'm entering the credentials. After clicking on the login button, it has redirected me to this dashboard And as you can see, you can have the bird's eye view of your whole clinic in this entire screen. As you can see there are many options. I'll discuss each and every option later, but first let me show you how a pet parent will take an appointment for the doctor. By clicking on this button, clinic details, you can add your clinic details like the veterinarian profile, the city, country. You can also add images to this. The operating hours, for example, this veterinarian is working on Monday for only 1 hour, that is from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. He's available 24-hour on Tuesday, and so on. You can change your password, enable two-step authentication, add your bank details, and here you will see the subscription. So let me show you how a pet parent will take an appointment for a veterinarian. Let me sign out from the veterinarian account. I have also created one pet parents account for me, so I'll be showing it. Again, I'll click on the sign in button and enter the credentials of my pet parents account. After clicking on the login button, it will redirect me to the dashboard of the pet parent, where a pet parent can take the appointment of the doctor. What he has to do is he just have to click on the online appointment button, and it will redirect to a page where he can see the list of the doctors. As you can see that this is the list of the doctors. Right now I am having only one doctor which is nearest to my location, and my software Petify has already automatically detected that my location. For example, right now I'm in Dehradun. As you can see that the software has automatically calculated, detected my location, and you can see that this doctor is available nearest to my location. Let's take appointment for this doctor. You just have to click on the book appointment button, and it will redirect you to a page where you can see a calendar which is having dates, days, and timings. For example, I have to take an appointment for today, that is on Tuesday, 2nd of December. Let's say I'll take an appointment for 5 p.m. I just have to click on the 5 p.m. slot, and if I am already having, if I'm creating an appointment for a new dog, I can just add the details of the new dog here and save the changes. But right now I'm already having many dogs with my clinic, so let's make an appointment for a dog. Let's say Tommy. So I
First,
just search for.
I will interrupt you.
Yes, sir.
Actually, this appointment you are creating as a pet parent.
Yes, sir.
So you cannot say that you have many dogs with you. You are creating an appointment as a pet parent. So as a pet parent, you can have only one or two pets.
Okay, sir.
Anyway,
Sorry, sir.
yeah, it is just an inclusion. There was some difference of speech, so I corrected it. Please continue.
Yes. So let's take appointment for a dog named Tommy. Here you can see the basic details of my dog. Like this is a dog named Tommy, which is male Labrador Retriever, and along with the details like my name and the phone number. So let's say the purpose of the appointment be routine. Here I can check the appointment date and the timing. I can take the appointment for the online video meeting, or I can take appointment for the clinic visit. I just have to click on this button to make a clinic visit or online video meeting. Right now I'm taking clinic visit. What I have to do is I will just click on the save changes button, and a notification will be sent to the veterinarian that this pet parent Pramod Rana is asking for an appointment for Tuesday, December this at 5 p.m. Let me show you how a veterinarian will approve this or reject this appointment. Let me sign in again through my veterinarian's account. So it again opened my dashboard. Here you can see that there is an option with online appointment. I just have to click on this button to see my online appointments. The main purpose of our platform is to make everything digitalized. As you can see here on Tuesday, I'm scrolling down and I can see that this dog Tommy is asking for an appointment for 5 p.m. I just have to click on his name and check the details. I can reject or approve this appointment by clicking on this button. Right now I have to approve this, so I just click on the save changes. After clicking on the save changes button, you can see that the appointment has become green. That means the appointment has been confirmed by the veterinarian, and a notification is sent to the pet parent that your appointment with Dr. Petofy Vet has been confirmed. Let me show you other options. Moving back to the dashboard, I'll show you the most amazing part of our platform, that is the immunization master. You can add vaccines in your immunization schedule. For example, this is the immunization master. For example, in the serial number 1, I can see that the age group 30 to 36 days, a primary vaccine puppy DP should be given to a dog, and the next vaccine will be CCV, which is given to this age group of 37 to 42 days. You can view the full vaccine list. As you can see that the first vaccine is puppy DP, then it's CCV, DHL, PPA, and so on. Let me show you how a veterinarian will add a new vaccine to his list. What I have to do is I just have to click on the create new button, where it will ask me for various details like to which age group the vaccination should be given, and what is the type of the vaccine, name of the vaccine, etc. Like you can see here, it is asking for the category, the serial number, the age unit, and the minimum and maximum age, the vaccine name. Is it a booster 1, booster 2, or periodic vaccine? I can add a new vaccine by just clicking on the create save button. Let me show you how a veterinarian will create a vaccination card for a dog. Let's say if a new dog came to my clinic, I just have to click on the add pet button. But if I'm already having many pets with me, or the same pet came to my clinic, let's say a dog named Bruno came to I have to make a vaccination card for a dog named Bruno. I just type Bruno here, and by clicking on his name, here you can see the basic details of the dog, like his name Bruno, his ID, unique ID, dog, male beagle, etc. So what I have to do is I have to select the nature of visit to be immunization. After clicking on the immunization, it is asking me for some details. The entries which are having stars are mandatory, and rest you can skip as well. But for now, I am adding this. Like let's say the weight of the dog is 10 kg. Let his temperature be 101. The vaccine is CCV. As you can see that it is showing me that the vaccine is CCV. The primary type is the vaccine type is primary, and the immunization is today. If I have to add a new vaccine, I just have to click on the add vaccine button, and you can see that this vaccine is added. After this, you can see that my software has automatically calculated that the next vaccination date is 29th of December, and the next vaccine which is to be given is DHL PPA, and the type of the vaccine is primary. If I have to add 2 vaccines on a single day, let's give this dog one more vaccine today. Let's give him DHL PPA on the same date. What I have to do is I just have to click on the add vaccine button, and 2 vaccines are given on the same date. As you can see that my software has automatically calculated that the next vaccine date will be 29th of December, and the next vaccine which is to be given is CKC. So what I have to do is I just have to click on the save button. After clicking on the save button, you can see my vaccination card is created, where you can see the basic details of the dog, the vaccinations which are given, and which date. Like these 2 vaccinations are given on this date, 22nd of December, and the next vaccinations which are to be given, like CKC, the due date of CKC is 29th of December, and so on. After creating this prescription, a link will be sent to the pet parents through WhatsApp, through email, and through normal SMS, where he just have to click on the link and this prescription will be shown to him. You can also print this prescription by clicking on this button. Also, this prescription is generated by computer, so there is no need of any signature or any stamp. Let me show you other features. If let's say I have to create a deworming schedule for a dog. So I'm creating a deworming schedule for my dog named Tommy. What I have to do is I just have to write his name in the search bar and click on his name. As you can see that you have to choose the nature of visit to be deworming. After clicking on this button, I can add history if any or symptoms if any. Right now I'm skipping it. Let's say the weight of the dog be 10 kg and the temperature is 101.5. So I'm giving him a dewormer that is Drontal tablet. And the deworming dose, let's say 1 tablet. I can also select the next deworming date. I mean after how much days the next deworming is to be given. For example, let's say after 15 days, I'll give him a next deworming. And remarks if any. The dog is fine. And click on the Save Changes button. After clicking on the Save button, you can see that the prescription has been created, and there you can see the details like the dewormer name is Drontal tablet, 1 tablet, and remarks and the next deworming date. As soon as this prescription is created, a notification is sent to the pet parent, which is having the link to this prescription. The pet parent will also get an automatically reminder of the next deworming date, that is on 6th of January 2021. Again, this prescription is generated by computer, so there is no need of any stamp or any signature. Let me show you other options. If I have to make a routine health checkup prescription for a dog, let's make it for Bruno. I just type his name and click on his name. So what I have to do is I have to select the nature of visit to be routine. History, if any. Let's say the dog is having fever. Symptoms is weakness or fever again. Let's say the weight of the dog is 20 kg. Is temperature 103. Date of illness, this is not mandatory, but let me show you. Let's say the dog is unwell since 3 days. Diagnosis, fever, and the treatment. Paracetamol. Remarks if any, the dog is fine. And here you can see that you can give him a next follow-up date. Let's say the dog, let's give this dog a next visit date after 7 days. So I just type the next visit date and click on the Save Changes button. After clicking on the Save Changes button, my prescription is created, and again the link is sent to the pet parent through WhatsApp, email, and through normal SMS. The pet parent will also get an automatic reminder of the next visit date, that your visit for Pet-O-Fi doctor is due on this date. You can also print this prescription by clicking on this button. Let me show you some more features. Let's move back to the dashboard. Here you can see that this is the bird's eye view of your whole clinic in a single screen. Let me discuss about each and every option. For example, the first one is the all pets, which is showing me the each and every pet which is associated with my clinic. Right now it is showing only 5 dogs. Let us increase this number. And here is the list of the entire dogs which are associated with my clinic. I can also see the basic details in the screen, like this is the unique pet ID. This is the name of the dog, the date of birth, the pet parent's name along with the number. You can add view clinic details by clicking on this button. This is the view ID card. yes, this is one more feature that you can see the identity card of the pet, which is showing the basic details of the pet as well as the unique barcode. You can also print this ID card by clicking on this button. Let me show you other features. Moving back to the dashboard. This is the report section of the dogs. Here you can see each and every detail of the reports of the dog. For example, if I choose the all patient report, here you can see I can see all the reports of the dog. For example, if I have to see the report of this dog, Duke, I just have to click on the view reports button where I can see each and every report of this dog. Let's move back to the dashboard. There are more options in the report section. The main purpose of our platform is to minimize the paperwork, and everything you can see is becoming digitalized nowadays. So let's move back to the report section. You can also see the previous visits which are done in your clinic and the upcoming visits. For example, if you have to see the previous visits, just click on the visit register and it will give you each and every detail of the pets which have visited your clinic. For example, this is my visit register where I can see that these are the dogs which have made visits to my clinic. As you can see that this dog Bruno has visited my clinic on 29th of November. The purpose of his visit was deworming, and the next follow-up date which I had given was 14th of December. The last option of the report section is the online appointments and the upcoming visits. You can also check the upcoming visits from that option. You don't have to maintain any file or any Excel sheet for this. Just click on this upcoming visits button and it will show you the upcoming visits of the pets. Like for now, you can see that this is the upcoming visit of the dog named Singham, and he has to come for the routine health checkup. You can also see the online appointments. For example, I had shown you that I was creating an online appointment for this dog named Tommy. Let me show you other options. Moving back to the dashboard. Yes, this is also a very good feature that you can manage your staff and allot some permissions to that staff. For example, the doctor is not available for some time or he is busy with his work, so he can assign tasks to his staff members. Right now, I am having 3 staff members associated with my clinic. Like right now, Michael Robert is not active. I mean, he's unavailable, so I have marked him as deactivate. I can activate or deactivate just by clicking on this button. So if I have to see the permissions or the details of any staff, let's say I have to check the details of the Rahul Mehta, I just have to click on the view details button where it will show me the basic details of this staff member and the permissions which I have given him. For example, right now I have given him the permission to add pet, delete pet, create appointment, join appointment, etc. By clicking on any button, I can approve or give him a permission. Let's say, let's give him a permission to view prescription. I just have to click on this button and the settings are updated successfully. Let's show you more options. In the dashboard, you can see that there are many options. You can search for any pet on the search bar and you can see the monthly reports. This is the graph which is showing the monthly reports of the clinic visit. You can change it from here. Right now it is showing the monthly report of clinic visit. For example, on June, I had clinic visits of 2 pets, and on August, it has become, the number has become 33. On the right hand side, you can see the recently added pets with the doctor. Scrolling down, you can see the users and the upcoming appointments. So this is all about our software. Let us move to the frequently asked question sessions. I'll request to Dr. Saurav to please continue with the frequently asked question session. Dr. Saurav.
Yes, thanks, Parsh. So I'll start with the frequently asked questions. So the first question what comes is, do I need to type my email ID and password every time I sign in? So no, Petrify remembers you, so you don't need to give your password and email ID every time you sign in. But we have a OTP-based login system as well, so sign-in system as well. So you can assign OTP and give your number so that you can receive OTP before signing in. Next question is, can I create multiple accounts for multiple clinics? So yes, you can create multiple accounts with your registration number, but you need to assign a unique clinic code because Petrify identifies the pet you add with your unique clinic code. Secondly, if you register multiple clinics with your same registration number, we'll give you a call for verification. And if there are many clinics under same registration number, we may visit your clinics for verification. So third question was, how can I add a pet which is already registered with another doctor? So when you try to add another pet who is registered with another doctor, so the pet parent will receive an OTP in his or her registered mobile number. So after entering the OTP, you can add the pet in your clinic, but you cannot see his the pet's previous prescriptions under Petrify without a permission of the previous doctor. You can see the prescription if the pet parent can say give you the copies from his or her mail ID or WhatsApp or SMS. So fourth question was, how can I add radiography or USG plates? So radiography or USG plates or color Doppler plates, for example, are photographic plates. So currently there is no technology we have to add photographic plates to upload photographic plates. So because science is always improving, so when we get that technology, we'll even add the photographic plates. Currently, you can add the reports in format of PDF or a JPG or a PNG. So basically, the images of means a scanned copy of a report or an image you can upload. So what next question was, what is the maximum file size for uploading? So the unique feature of Petrify is cloud based. So you don't need to think about uploading the file size. So you can carry your clinic with you. So through a mobile phone or a laptop or a tablet, and you can upload files like a file of any size in Petrify. But you need to remember that when you try to download it in the next time, so that time your data consumption will depend on the file size. So the most important part I'll come now is data safety. So we maintain the highest standard of data safety. So that is the highest standard maintained in US, and your password is hashtag protected, for example, and then all your credentials are with you only. Your patient details, if he or she doesn't choose to share his or her details, the contact details with anyone, so nobody can view it. And if he or she chooses to others to view it, so others can view it. Your appointment details can be seen by the your other patient, other staffs. If you assign them, only when you assign them, they can view it. And Petrify team. So and your bank account, we take your bank account just because we need to transfer the amount to you in case of video consulting. So that's all from the data safety. So we can assure you that your prescriptions, your radiographic USG plates, your vaccination card is only you. Nobody can see it or use it in or edit it or use it in later stage. So after data safety part, I will come to the pricing part. So we have 60 days free period. That is, after you register and you start using Petofy, there is a free period of 60 days where you can take a look and feel of Petofy, and you can check the usefulness it is giving to your clinic, the advantages your clinic is having with Petofy, and then after 60 days you can opt for any of the two subscription plans. One is a monthly subscription plan where you need to pay 1,000 rupees per month, and there is a yearly subscription plan. So there you need to pay 10,000 rupees per year. So if you compare with the features of Petofy, like you can get, we have more than 20,000 Facebook followers. So when pet parents search for doctors near them, so they can view you and book their appointments with you. Secondly, you don't need to maintain your patient folders or a vaccination card, and patients also don't need to remember that when their next vaccination date is or next clinic visit date is, because they get automatic reminders. So basically you don't miss out on any of your appointments, because you can see on your dashboard also that what are the upcoming appointments, and your parents can get a automatic reminder, so they also don't miss on appointments, you also don't miss on your appointments. So that actually increases your revenue, clinic revenue. So compared to these advantages, that pricing is nominal. It's like nothing, 10,000 rupees per year. And if you compare with other softwares in the market, that is, they are like 3 to 4 times costlier than Petofy. So with this, I conclude about the pricing part. And now you can ask us questions or queries what you have about Petofy. We'll be very happy to answer them.
If you have any query, you can unmute yourself and ask. Maybe you can ask later on. We will proceed. I will just take 5 minutes of myself. Myself, Anshul Arora. I am one of the co-partners, directors in Petofy. Not taking much of your time. First of all, I would like to thank each and everyone for sparing your valuable time for us. We are a startup from about 3 years, but we are backed up with two experienced houses, and we are going to work for the pet community for a long period of time. Our software OPHR is a cloud-based software which is purely secured. We are using the best of security measures, which is available in the technology as of now. And it is for 60 days. It is absolutely free. If you like it, you can continue. Otherwise, you can opt out. As of now, Petofy is having a lot of services which are free for the pet parents and for the entire pet service community. May it be our search engine, adoption donation, pet name search. If I mean, apart from OPHR, doctors can, if they are not available town-wise on our platform, they can register their clinic details in their city on Petofy website, and people can locate you easily. For the OPHR, as I told you, it is 60 days free trial. It is a cloud-based software. As of now, it is managing your clinic, your vaccination, immunization. Apart from that, we are adding very soon the billing part, the stock keeping part of your clinic and of the stock you have. So it becomes a comprehensive plan wherein you don't need to use any files, register paper. And a lot of courts have also advises a lot of times that a prescription should be typed. And post COVID, things have changed. So we are using, you can use our platform for giving online prescription or online advice also. Any issue which comes to you while using our software, we have a 24/7 tech support. Mr. Sparsh is there. He's leading our tech support. Ms. Samiksha is there. She's a digital marketing expert, and we have many people. I've already posted our customer care number and our email ID, and we will be circulating the recording of this meeting to all of you. And whenever you wish to create your account, our team will be very happy to help you out. Secondly, recently we have tied up as a partner with Bajaj Pet Health Insurance. They are one of the first private company to bring comprehensive dog insurance as of now, and we are their web partners. Very soon we'll be doing some webinars on it, and we'll be circulating more information on it. What are the benefits with for the pet owner and the pet with Bajaj Insurance? One thing more, I would like to commit on the platform that we are not planning to do any product selling, any e-commerce in future on our platform. So we don't want to create any competition with our doctors, with our retailers and other people who are there doing sales and marketing of the accessories and product, may it be vaccine, may it be other medicine or pet food, XYZ. But yes, we are planning to promote small startups, town wise, city wise, those who are new in the market and those who are doing small works like home cooked food, some cookies for pets, and some homemade accessories. So this is all I wanted to add about Petify. If you have any questions regarding our software OPHR, you are free to ask. We'll be very happy to answer all it. I can see there are many doctors from different parts of India right now with our channel. We had two meetings, one yesterday, one on Saturday. So I think till now we had about 70 doctors who attended our meeting. And anybody who wants to say about how they feel about our platform? Mr. Udit, do you want to add something or shall we close the meeting? Am I audible? Hello?
Yes, you are.
Okay, great. So I think we have no questions from anybody of our guests. So I would like to thank each and everyone. And again, I'm repeating, we have a full tech support to support you each and every time. Once you want to create an account, it is 60 days free, and the cost is very less in comparison to what we are offering. And it is the first cloud-based clinic manager software, management software for the pet doctors, and it is only purely for this community. We are not making softwares for different business streams. It is only for this community. So I would like to thank each and everyone who participated on this event, and we wish Petify team wishes everyone a very happy new year. Thank you so much.